Are you over 50 and love playing pickleball, but something feels off? Maybe your knees ache, your back twinges, or you just can't seem to move like you used to. Well, you clicked on the right video, because today I'm revealing the 5 most common mistakes I see pickleball players over 50 make, and more importantly, how to fix them before they lead to injury or slow you down. I'll walk you through each mistake, from poor warm-ups to bad footwork, and I've got a bonus fix at the end that could completely change the way you move on court, making your game smoother, safer, and even more enjoyable. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for that. Before we dive in, if you're new here, I'm Gav Noble, and this is the 10x Physio channel. We bring you all the top tips and tricks to help you lead a healthier, more active life after 50. So if you want to stay pain-free, mobile and strong, and out of the doctor's office, make sure you hit the subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. First up, not warming up properly. Look, you wouldn't jump into a cold car and drive 70 miles an hour, right? But I see it all the time. Players grab their paddle, hit the court, and boom, straight into a game. This is one of the biggest causes of muscle strains, joint pain, and poor performance. Your muscles need time to switch on, especially as we age. The fix for this is to do a 5-minute warm-up focused on mobility and dynamic movements. Think arm circles, hip openers, mini squats, and some light side shuffles. Not only will it help prevent injury, you'll actually move better and react faster from the very first point. If you need any help with this, remember we have a video right here on the 10x Physio channel. Next up, we have bad posture and poor core engagement. Many players over 50 round their backs when reaching or lunging, putting massive pressure on the spine and knees. This can lead to back pain, balance issues, and slower reactions. The fix for this is to focus on your athletic, ready stance, chest up, core braced, knees soft, and strengthen your deep core muscles with simple moves like dead bugs or standing marches. It's not about six packs, it's about stability and joint protection. Have you noticed any of these mistakes creeping into your game? Or have you a niggle or injury you're not sure how to deal with? Please drop us a comment below, or better yet, get in touch. My team and I here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy in Lisburn are specialists in helping people over 50 move better, play better, and live pain-free. And don't forget, there's a game-changing bonus tip at the end that could instantly make your movement more fluid and controlled, especially if you've ever felt stiff during games. Keep watching. This next one, playing with just your arm. It's a habit I see in lots of recreational players over 50. They flick their wrist or elbow through shots without rotating their trunk or stepping into the ball. This limits power control and can cause elbow and shoulder pain. Fix for this, you need to start thinking about your whole kinetic chain. Step into your shot, rotate your hips and shoulders, and let your body do the work. You'll hit better and hurt less. Mistake number 4 is predictable movement. If you only ever move forward and back, your body forgets how to react laterally. So that's side to side. And that's when falls and injuries happen. So to fix this, you need to add lateral drills to your weekly routine when you're drilling and practicing. Side steps, agility, cones, or resistance band walks. These wake up your glutes, improve your balance, and boost your court coverage. And the 5th big mistake is no recovery routine. Just like a car needs maintenance, your body needs downtime. If you're stiff or sore, but still playing 3 to 4 times a week with no stretching, no mobility, and no strength work, you are on a collision course with injury. So, to fix this, you need to spend 10 to 15 minutes 3 times per week doing simple mobility work. Things like foam rolling, gentle Pilates, or stretching. Your joints will thank you, and so will your game. All right, here it is, your game-changing bonus tip. You need to train your balance like your life depends on it. Because it does. Falls are one of the biggest risks as we age. Pickleball challenges your balance constantly, so train it deliberately. Stand on one leg while brushing your teeth, do heel to toe walks, or try some simple balance drills in a video which I have linked here on screen. Remember, better balance equals better reaction times, fewer injuries, and more confidence on the court. If you found this helpful, check out this other video here on essential leg stretches for pickleball players over 50. It's packed with simple moves you can start today. And if you're near Lisburn or want tailored support, reach out to me here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy. We'll help you play better, feel younger, and stay pain-free. Now, hopefully I will see you in the next video.